Hey everybody, welcome to my hammock area. Uh, Adam Metal Forge here, this is Yamez. Uh, Doing an unboxing video because I got sent a care package and unfortunately I didn't do an unboxing video for the first care package that I received from Mr. Alan Beasley over there at Curiosity Forge. But I figure, I saw the fun that Pastor Josh and Becky had doing their unboxing videos, and I had one of my subscribers, Mr. David Brittain, send me a package of some drops that he was talking about. Now this gives me, something to do. Cool, So I got me a box, and it's not too. Let me. All right. Swiss Army knife. There we go. All right. It's a box within a box. Jesus. I wonder how many. All right. You put the knife down and you need to pick it right back up. Alright. Cardboard. Even if you guys just want to send me a box full of cardboard, I tell you, I use it to light my forge, and it's fantastic. A little bit of that, a little bit of wood. Bubble wrap would have been okay. Now, that's pretty cool. I'm going to put this down here, pick up my knife again, so I can open some of these up and do my thing. Yeah, I sorry about not seeing this right away. It's all blurry. Let me fix the blurry. Sorry about not seeing this right away when I got off of work. It was a long, hot day in an attic. And, it was just brutal. Like, I didn't get off until like 7 o'clock, and then an hour and a half drive home. Then stopped on the way to do a little bit of troubleshooting. I believe that's 4130. Well, yeah. Alright, so a couple little hammers out of those. Let's see what else I got here. Yeah. I could do another couple of little hammers. Now, of course, what this means is I'm going to have to make hammer eye tongs, or a hammer eye punch and drift, and all the tools needed to make hammers, because this is the first time I've had hammer stock, so that's fun and cool. Let's see what else. I really appreciate this. I may not get to these immediately, but I can't wait until I do, so thank you, David. I'll have to borrow a scale from my boss to get exact weights, because I don't even have a bathroom scale. I don't care what I weigh. I'm 200 pounds. Sure, let's go with that, right? Alright, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4 large drops. I'm going to say those are about, 3 pounds each. It's hard for me to say. Mainly because I'm so freaking tired. I've been in an attic all day bending pipe and just sweating my butt off. Yeah. And it's got to be at least 3 pounds, 2 to 3 pounds each. So that's 4 of those. That's 4 good hammers, and then these small ones, I can make, you know, a little small hammer. Yeah. You know, something lighter that I could really move quickly with. Awesome. Awesome. I can see the shapes coming out. Now what I got to do is I've got to come up with a hammer style for me. Something, I might square those off a little bit. You know, I got to come up with some sort of a, you know, but something unique to me. I don't think I can do a twisted hammer. How cool would that be? But I really don't think I could put a twist on a hammer. If you know how, let me know. That'd be really fun. But anyway, there's an awesome live stream going on right now over there at County Line Forge, so I'm going to go back and watch that. I just wanted to do this quick unboxing. I wanted to see the metal, have fun with it. But anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you, David Brittain. Brittain. I'm sure you'll correct me someday. Anyway, this is Island Metal Forge saying thank you for you know, your support and help, and always glad to see a fellow smith helping a fellow smith. So, hearts and health, bro. I'm out.